Okay, good morning, everybody. Today is Wednesday, November 12th, 2025. You are in the live trading room, and here we are. Here's a chart from yesterday. Had a great day yesterday. In fact, the last 4, 5 days have been outstanding trading wise, but had 6 trades yesterday, up for 99 cents. I believe Keith was at 99 cents as well. Of course, it took me twice as many trades to get there. But anyway, a lot of good price movement yesterday, as we have had for the last 4 or 5 days. Nice sell off here, swing high, sell off, more sell off on down. Nice swing high there, more sell off, and then the market reached a bottom finally, a low of 617.52, and then started marching up in the afternoon up to its high. We closed, or I should say, Q closed at 620.90. It's currently up to 624.85, which means we have a gap play, and the gap fill and trigger will be 622.73. 622.73. So if price should come down that far, we'll have a gap play. So let's go forward. Let's head over to the option chain. And we've got, again, above a million in pre-market, 1.182 million already traded in pre-market. And let me get my option chain straightened out here. Let's go over to the 12th. We are trading on the 12th today. Probably be starting at the 623 on the call side and the 626 on the put side. We'll see when we get all this pre-market stuff in, pre-market volume in, where we're going to start. So that is it for my opening spiel. I'm going to go ahead and toss it over to Mr. Keith Frampton. Good morning, Keith.
Morning, Tim. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, I was up 99 cents yesterday on 4 trades. So, yeah, great day of trading there. So, hopefully, we can continue that today. This morning, we had the mortgage applications were up from last week. So, doing a little bit better there. We had one of the Fed members starting to speak about 8 minutes ago. We have one will speak at 10 o'clock. One will speak at 10:30. One will speak at 12:15. One will speak at 12:30 and 4 o'clock. And we'll have a 10-year bond note auction at 1 o'clock today. Again, no 10 o'clock announcements, but the Fed member speaking at 10 there. So we'll see there. I'll be trading today's expiration with Tim today. And I think that's about it from me.
Okay, it's a lot. We've got a lot of Fed folks speaking today, don't we?
Yeah, we do.
Okay. All right. So we've got just about a minute till we start in the regular session in regulation. And just a reminder to have 20 cents between each of your hash marks so that we're looking at the same size candles from day to day. Here and here. Important to have that up there. That's it. We just wait for the market to start. We're about 30 seconds away. Let's make it another great day. Hopefully, we're going to get. Hopefully, we get that good price movement that we've been getting. Let me change something over. Change that over to my monitor. Okay, got 10 seconds. Stand by in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we are in. Dow is up 142. Let's let in Kathleen. S&P is up 19. Price is coming down. Waiting for NAS just reported it's up 94. So we're starting with a pretty green market on the broader indices. Wow, price is pressing down pretty well. Both of our MACDs are in the put bias position. So over on the put side, I'm going to be at the 626 on the put side. 626 strike put. Wow, it's quite a push down we're getting right here. But watch this snap right back. Maybe. Drop is slowing down now. In our third minute, price is still dropping. MACD is already down to 0.8.
Trying to fill the gap there.
622.73. Yep, it is.
Stuck its wick down there, but the body didn't get down. The 1 minute MACD's down to minus 0.9, so pretty low.
Yeah. And there it goes. Just filled the gap.
Yeah, but it's not staying down there.
No, it's bouncing around a bit.
Now it's trying to get filled. Definitely fill it now. Put a pseudo supply zone at the top of that first 5 minute candle.
Yeah. Turn that red. turn this red, color more, just V, 60. There we go. So on the call side, be at the 621 on the call side. See if this is going to bounce back up. That was a market maker going on a buying spree. Dow is up 300, NASDAQ is up 45, S&P is up 19, despite the price movement down. MACD, 1 minute MACD is down to minus 1.1, way low. Like to see this price turn around back into a call direction. Then we'd look at a call trade, but still pushing prices pushing down. But it looks like we're going into a bit of consolidation right now. Up
See,
to
the House is going to vote on the bill to end the shutdown around 7 p.m. tonight.
mm-hmm. Price trying to rise here. We've hit a bottom, at least for now.
Can actually put a demand zone in there.
Hey, look at that. Let's try that again. And price continuing to drop. Went through a little bit of consolidation and is continuing to drop. MACD is way, way low. Hold on, I'll be right back. Got to let somebody in.
NASDAQ has turned negative, down 7. Dow's still up strong, up 370. S&P's up 16. And we have 4.5 million underlying traded so far on the Qs.
Yep. See if we're going to get some reversal here.
The NASDAQ actually went negative for about a minute there.
Oh,
The Qs bounced off yesterday's close and came back up.
all right, it's going into maybe a little more consolidation here. No, price continuing to drop.
Yep, NASDAQ's negative again, down 10.
Price trying to reverse here a bit. It's like trying to turn a big fully loaded oil tanker in the ocean around. Takes a bit of time to do it. Still a lot of downward pressure on pricing. Wow.
You may ask why we're not getting into a put trade. Well, with the MACD so low, odds are it's going to jump back around going up. It's down to minus 1.5 now.
Yeah.
Just too risky.
Yep. So what's absolutely keeping us out of this put trade. It's way late into the trend as well.
I'll be back in a minute, Tim.
All right. Price still dropping. It's amazing. It's rare that we see the 1 minute MACD down this low.
I figured it'd start coming back if I walked away.
Yeah, yeah. It's just waiting for one of us to put a put trade in.
Oh, yeah.
Then watch how fast that thing turns around. Jeez, tear it up down there. All right. And let me see here. Let me recenter my option chain. On the call side, I will be at the 618 on the call side. If we should get some continuation on this call direction. Excuse the noise if you're hearing it.
It isn't bad.
Okay. About to
Just
get a. Go ahead.
just tells us that you're thinking back there. That's all.
You hear the rocks going around in my head. Getting across on our MACD, our 1 minute MACD, trying to cross. Come on, price, start rising. Did get across on our 1 minute MACD.
And
Little bit
close,
of convergence on our 5.
and close to doji on that last Heikin-Ashi candle too.
Yeah, but we might have a new demand zone.
Yeah, if that is, I'll move it down and move the supply zone down to the agreement there where the current
Yeah,
demand zone.
yeah. If you just joined us, we don't have any trades in yet. There we go.
The demand zone down. The supply zone down too. Hmm. Wow.
Up to there. That. That.
And we got under 5 minutes till the pop at the top, if there's going to be one. Again, no announcements at 10, except for one of the Fed members speaking at 10.
Oh, they're cutting up wood down there, Keith.
Oh boy.
Making sawdust.
I was going to say, keep some pieces. I'll make a bowl for you, but not if it's just framing lumber.
Yeah. Like we're going into some more consolidation. One minute MACD is curling over.
Got 2 minutes to the pop.
Okay. All right, getting a little movement on the call side now. Still going to be at the 618 on the call side if we end up climbing out of this. Ten seconds away from the pop, if we get one. Here we go. Boom, we're in the pop. Come on, let's break out from here toward the top side. All right. We're at the 619 on the call side. Stand by. Trying to break out here.
Let me go ahead and try to get in on this here.
Okay.
In at 309.
All right. Let's go ahead and jump in on this. Trying to get filled. Going to cancel it for now. $619. Stand by on the $619. Let's try again. Oh, that just did something weird. Didn't go. That's 2 times. Stand by on the $619. Let's try one more time. It keeps passing me by. Doesn't want my 20 contracts.
Hmm.
All right, forget you. Oh, there it goes. What the heck? I wasn't even in it. Anyway, filled at 306. It was weird. I mean, I had canceled that order, and then 8 seconds later, it go ahead and then filled it. I don't get
Hmm.
that.
Come on, get back up there.
Doing a crazy Ivan here.
At the 5 minute MACD's trying to turn up.
Wow, the 1 minute is recovered quite a bit.
Yeah, it's up close to mid range now.
Got Dow's up by 430 points now. Nas down by 26. S&P up by 11. We've got 9,395,000 in. Getting close to VWAP. I'm setting out close to VWAP. Keith, you have an outset?
I have it up close to VWAP also.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. I'm going to take profit here. There we go. Out at 361. 306 to 361.
Great. Didn't quite get to my number yet. Gonna fill. Come on, get up there and fill. Wow.
Bouncing off of VWAP as usual. Come on, get up there.
Yeah, it came within 3 cents of my fill price.
Hmm.
There we go, fill. 309 to 367.
Nice. Nice trades.
Yes, sir.
All right, so we got Dow's up by 401, NASDAQ down by 20, S&P up by 11. Oh, good. That was a covered call filling,
Okay.
selling, so thank you for that. That's all my covered calls. Yay.
Only one trade, but up 58 cents.
Mm-hmm. I come up 55. Oh, I'm gonna step away just for a minute. I'm gonna grab another cup of coffee. I'll be right back.
Okay. I'm watching the 623 on the put side here. It dropped quick though, and it's getting down close to the demand zone. I'm going to try to get in on this on the 623 on the put. In at 342.
Okay, I'm back. Wow.
And Tim, I got in a 623 put
Okay.
for 342. And we just try to get 20 cents or so on this, seeing as we're down close to the demand zone.
Mm-hmm.
Come on down. Come on. Come on down. Come on down. on, get down there.
I'm going to go over to the 619 on the call side, just in case.
Come on, Ivan. Come on. Come on down. Come on. That's it. Come on down. Come on down.
There you go.
Come on. No more.
It's playing with you, Keith.
It is.
Double bottom on the demand zone.
There we go.
Go.
Got it. 20 cents.
There you go.
342 to 362.
Good job. Got price bouncing off the demand zone, off a double bottom. All right, still looking at that 619 on the call side. Just can't quite get legs under it. All right, I'm going to jump into this 619 if I can. And I'm going to cancel this. Oh, and again, it did it again. Put me into that trade. All right, well, I'm in at 288. Come on, break on through. Good Lord. Oh, they're tearing apart my beautiful cabinets in the living room, Keith.
Yeah. Oh my. That
Oh, how awful.
Hmm.
beautiful floor too.
Yeah, it's gone.
Going to be replaced.
Melissa says in the background, it's all going to be replaced. Yes. Come on, rise, rise. Looks like I jumped in right in the middle of some consolidation here.
Hopefully it'll continue on up through there after getting through the messy middle.
Mm-hmm. Come on, get on up there. Let's break out. Come on up there. Come on. Break through. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. All right, stand by to take some profit.
Were you able to get out of that?
No, I'm still in it. It's about to get out and it pulled back a bit. So I'm going to wait for it to come back up if it does. All right, just got out of it. 288 to 3.
Okay. Had to sweat that a little one for 12 cents,
Yeah.
but it is positive.
It just looked like it was really struggling to get up any higher.
Yeah, I was considering actually getting in on that, but to here recently, but it, like you said, it's just been struggling.
Yeah.
Over an hour into the market, Dow's up 377, Nasdaq's down 74, S&P's up $1.60, and 12.5 million underlying traded.
Wow. So we got two trades up nicely, both positive.
Yep.
And we're still kind of floating around in a messy middle,
It's
which
been
is,
in for about 20 minutes or so.
yeah.
I'll be back in a minute, Tim.
Alrighty. So all we can do at this point is just wait for another breakout, wait for it to come out of this messy middle. Which it may be doing on the bottom side here.
There are a couple questions in the chat box, Tim.
Oh, thank you, Kathy. Okay. First question from Carlos: what is a covered call? Covered call is a different part of our service. It's not something that we do here. But I do some covered calls along with our sister service with Randy Bassett, who teaches covered calls. If you'd like more information on that, I'd be happy to give it to you. Second question, Carlos, how do we win when the price is going down? Okay, so we trade calls and puts here. When the price is going up, we trade a call, what's called a call. When the price is going down, we trade a put. So when we trade a call trade, we're expecting that price is going to rise, and that's how we'll profit. And on a put trade, which we ought to almost be into, should be in right now, as price is going down, it's betting that price will continue to go down. So that's how we win going both directions with calls and puts. Speaking of puts, let's go over to the 621 on the put side. And I'm going to go ahead and enter this. And it passed me right by. I'm going to cancel that. Going back to a covered call, Carlos, it's using one position to cover another position. It's called a vertical trade in Thinkorswim parlance. And when you and I do our one-on-ones, I'll explain more about how that works.
I'm sorry we didn't get into that put.
I tried to.
I tried also one time and
Yeah.
passed me by, and then it started heading back the other direction.
Yeah. Yeah, it was looking good there. Yeah, it just passed me by as well. just a reminder, you're very welcome, Carlos. Just a reminder in the welcome email package that I sent you, there is a link to set an appointment with me to get onto my calendar, which I'd like you to do at your convenience, so we can start doing your training.
Got close to a doji on the last Heikenase candle.
Mm-hmm. Look at that.
For those of you not aware of it, that tends to mean it's going to change direction, likely. Not always, but certainly more times than not.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that 5-minute wick going down.
Yeah. A lot of upward pressure. All right, I'm going to go over to the 618 on the call side, 618 strike call. I'm going to enter this 618 if it'll let me. Nope, passing me right by. I'm going to cancel that out. Although watch it fill anyway. It just filled.
Huh.
That
It,
is
it
so weird.
passed me by and I canceled it, but mine didn't get filled. Huh. I don't know what's going on with you there.
Yeah, that is not happy about that. Anyway, in at 318.
And I just got in at 318 also.
All right. Come on, climb up there. Let's go all the way to VWAP. Ooh, noisy down there.
Come on, get back up there. Did have the 5-minute MACD crossed over going up.
Yeah. So we've got crosses on both of our MACDs. That's very good. When I was reviewing the crosses yesterday, almost every cross that we had yesterday ended up with a tremendous gain.
Come on, get back up there.
I may settle for 10 cents on this. On up. On breakthrough. I stand by to take some profit. Get back up there. Get back up there. All right, I'm going to take some profit here. Out at 332, 318 to 332.
I'm going to try to see if I can get some profit here. Just got out. 318 to 348.
Nice. So 3 good trades up very nicely this morning, having another great day trading.
Yep. Same here. Up 3 trades up $1.08.
Wow. Yeah, I'm up 92.
Yeah, I don't think I want to give any back.
I don't blame you.
I'm just stingy that way, you know.
Yeah, yeah,
Another great day, though.
yeah, absolutely. Having a great week.
We've gotten out at the right time today on these, Tim.
Yeah, yeah. Our timing's been has been good today.
By the way, just learned something new talking to Thinkorswim this morning. I've had probably 3 years worth of trades showing up in the on-demand trading, and I just wanted to clear it out and restart it. And you can do that if you're on demand. Over at the top right, there's a reset button. You can say reset account, and it removes all those and sets you back. In my case, I had it set up at 100,000.
Uh-huh.
So it's a little easier to track things on a day by day basis so that I can reset it after each day to make some determinations on my back testing.
Yeah, yeah. No, that's great. That's good to know.
By the way, if you've never talked to the Thinkorswim help desk, they're extremely helpful in resolving some things. And I'm certain Tim is going to be on the phone with them this afternoon as to why he keeps getting filled when he cancels an order.
Yeah, I definitely am.
Yeah, because mine didn't do that, so I don't know what was going on there. Although, again, I'm trading on the active trader, not the option chain too. So,
Which
but I
is
wouldn't thought that made much difference.
yeah, which is what I trade on. It's the option chains, most of you know.
1 minute MACD's trying to head back down again.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely the tale of two cities with the Dow versus the Nasdaq today.
Huh, really? I'm not sure what's keeping the Dow up so high. I'll be right back. Okay, I got price going down again. So we've got 15,368,000 traded on the underlying. Dow's up 410 points now. Nasdaq down 123, S&P down 3. Got our 1 minute MACD in the put bias position. 5 minute MACD is kind of peeling over, heading toward a cross.
Yeah, most of the morning, the 1 minute MACD's been below mid range.
Mm-hmm.
Did bounce up there a little bit right after 10 o'clock, but mid range. And we've had a mixture of calls and puts today also.
Yeah. In fact, I didn't get into that put that you did. I've got actually 3 calls, which is kind of unusual considering the overall
Oh,
direction today.
yeah, yeah.
Keep thinking that price is going to reverse and explode upwards, but not so far.
No. I wonder if they're just waiting to see if the House passes that spending bill.
Yeah.
And by the way, that it only takes us to the end of January.
Yeah. And then we get to go through this all over again, right?
Oh, boy.
Well, the market should respond quite favorably to a resolution if that happens tonight.
Yeah. Last candle, 1 minute candle was almost doji.
Mm-hmm. And look at it reverse. Price reversing a bit, trying to climb again. Prices come back up to the demand zone. Looks like we may get another demand zone or lower demand zone. In fact, I'm going to duplicate this one and bring it down like so. Nope, it's going to make a liar out of me.
I was waiting. I didn't move mine down.
Got price rising again. I might get away with it yet. 5-minute MACD is right on the line. Yay.
All right, now I'll move it down.
Yep.
Now I'm a believer.
Okay, everybody, that is it for this morning's session. We are at the top of the hour. Thank you all for joining in this morning. We had another great morning. 3 trades up 92 cents, I believe, for me. $1.08 for Keith. And hope you all did well on this morning's call or trades. And we will do it all tomorrow morning again.
Sure.
So
And Tim, I assume you don't have an afternoon session today.
not going to have an
correct?
afternoon session today. No.
Okay. All right. Very good. All right. See you tomorrow, everybody. Thanks for being here.
All right. Thank you, Keith.
Yep.
Bye, everybody.